Okay, go.
Here we are in the Rocky Mountain National Park. And I'm going to attempt to go through this with my fat stomach and little butt. I mean, big butt.
Okay. Keep the shirt down. Now just blow all your air out, Roy. Blow it out. Yep, there you go. Blow it. Blow. Just take a big breath and then blow it out. I got some Crisco in the car. Hang on. No laughing. Your tummy's jiggling. The rocks are wiggling.
I'm going underneath it.
That rock's moving. She looked like a snake in there.
Did you get your head stuck?
Hey!
Ta-da! And that's how you do it.